Mm, mm, mm. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to birthday month. Welcome back to Leo season was good. Welcome back to Mel's doing birthday looks in a row until her actual birthday series. This is Mel's second birthday look for y'all. Sir, I thought it would also be fun, since I'm doing this series for my birthday, that I would share some cute things with you guys about myself. So I keep saying Mel this, yo girl Mel. So that is one of my nicknames. Mel is one of my nicknames. Melly, that's another nickname. My little brother used to call me Isa when we were little because he couldn't say Melissa, so he would always say Isa, 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 Isa. So I think that's so cute. So I love that one. My cousin calls me Bitas or Lu. Bitas Lu. One of my best friends when I was growing up, he gave me the nickname Bitas. I don't know, honestly, I don't know where that came from, but it stuck with us. So my cousin calls me Bitas, and then I used to call her Fanny Lu. So the Lu thing kind of stuck to our whole family. So I say Fanny Lu, Bude Lu, Gina Lu. So Gina is my mama, mi mommy. So I say Gina Lu. Gude is my tia, so I say Gude Lu, and they call me Meli Lu, Pitas Lu, and sometimes when we answer the phone, we just say Hola Lu. So it's just like, we're chaotic. We're so like Latino women, it's crazy, but I love it. So those are all of my nicknames. My husband calls me Melly. He calls me Boo Boo. That's like, bro. Okay, I think that's like a little like too much. Like sometimes he'll text me, how are you doing, boo boo? Like, so, you know, I just have a lot of nicknames. So most of my friends call me Mel. That's the cute little fact about me that I wanted to share with you guys. If you are a bad bee, this is for you. If you are an Insta bee, then this is for you. If you want to do something completely different for your birthday, this is for you, baby girl. So let's get into it. If you want to see how to create this look. This is the look that we just created. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys try it out. Even if it's not your birthday, go ahead and give this a try. Don't forget to tag me on all of your recreations of my looks on your Instagram. I will leave my Instagram handle somewhere down below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Adios.